Hi there, it's Julia from Cuckoo for Design, and it's Halloween season, my favorite season. I want to show you today how I made some creepy Halloween art for my dining room. I wanted it to actually hang here before to include with my great-grandmother. Yes, this is my great-grandmother. This was a project that I did a couple years ago. My parents have the original and I wanted to have it too, so I got it photographed and I made a canvas art out of it. I have another blog post about that, which I will link, but this is the same process. When I do pictures that are vintage looking, I don't like having the glass in front of it because it gives it a glare, makes it look more modern. So this is the same process as this. I will link the downloads that I used to make this, as well as some free websites with creepy pictures. And let me show you what I did. I hope you like it. So at first I wanted to hang the gallery wall, the Halloween one, with my great grandmother, but it's a little awkward with that switch right here. So I think I'm going to try it over here, either right there or maybe around this mirror just for Halloween. Alrighty, let's start with the first one. Don't forget to add your level to the top and to peel off